So is it worth hiring an attorney after an auto accident? I'm sure you guys already know where I'm going with this, but I'm going to give you real life examples and actual statistics of why you should at least consult with an attorney after an auto accident. And the numbers do not lie. I received a call back in January from a client that told me he had been trying to handle his own underinsured motorist claim for the last 6 months with Progressive. That pretty much means, if you've seen any of my past videos, if you get into an accident with the at-fault driver and the at-fault driver doesn't have any bodily injury coverage, your own insurance company will help you pay for your medical expenses and compensation after the accident. To that point, he had received an offer for settlement of $1,500. And to give him credit, he actually did do a good job of putting his medical records and medical expenses together and sending the letter out with all those medical expenses and records together. And at that point, he had only received that $1,500 offer. And why is that? The number one reason why insurance companies will never pay you a fair offer for settlement after an auto accident, if you're not represented by an attorney, is that there is no threat of a lawsuit. If you're handling this claim on your own, there is no threat of a lawsuit, and that means that there is no threat of additional expenses that the insurance company is going to have to pay for if an attorney were to file a lawsuit. That means filing fees, actually hiring an attorney on their behalf to represent them and their insured moving forward with the claim. And that is why you are never likely to see an insurance company give a fair offer for settlement if you're handling the claim on your own. Another reason why you should never move forward with an auto accident claim without hiring an attorney is that you don't know what the actual value of your case is, and you don't know what you're actually responsible for paying at the end of the case, and that means unpaid medical expenses and liens. To give you an example, in this case, even though my client did have all his medical bills together for all the medical providers he went to, he did not know that he was actually responsible for paying any expenses that his health insurance paid. His health insurance has a claim of a lien for any medical expenses they paid for relating to that accident. So he didn't know that he actually had a $900 lien with his insurance company. So if he would have settled his case at that point, maybe he would have been able to pay for his medical expenses, but he didn't know that technically his own health insurance could go after the settlement proceeds that he actually received. To make a long story short, at that time in January, my client had only gotten an offer again of $1,500. We recently settled his case for the policy limits of the underinsured motorist limits of $25,000. Guys, if you have any questions after an auto accident, or if you know anybody that's been involved in an auto accident, please tell them to give me a call and we'll give them a free consultation.